Hello everybody, this is my new salon compressor. I built that recently, probably less than a month. Well, what I did was I bought a used compressor with a broken gasket, and it's only cost 20 bucks. Then I swapped with the fridge compressor. This is the original motor, Craftsman compressor, and this is the switch and the check valve. All of these are broken already, so that is no good, and this is also no good. So I replaced the new switch and the check valve on the other side. I put two filters. It looks to me like these two intakes function the same way, so it's not a bad idea. I just put filters on both of these intake. The filter is I just made it my own with the out of PVC pipe. So it's just like this PVC pipe, and put the hole and small pipe inside it, and so when I need to replace the filter, all I need to do is just replace this piece here. There you go, and put something new back in when I need it to. So these two basically it's like the same function. So it's like for air coming into the compressor, so not much different. Okay, I cut the top so I can pull this off, and so I can check the oil in the inside by pulling this off and take it off. And this is the rubber belt from a vacuum or something, and I put this on here, make sure it's not gonna have an vibration, and the air it's not gonna go in too much. Okay, let's plug it in, see how it sounds like. That's how loud it is. You probably can hear it. The tank is a 3-gallon tank, so it's gonna slow a little bit. I solder this here, so make it nice, so I can use the copper tubing also instead of the rubber hose, because the rubber hose won't last very long. Okay, let's use the other side. There's the check valve, the new one. I put this to replace this one here. This one is no good. This the spring inside is kind of worn out. So I put a nice copper tubing here, and this is new, and all this new, and this is old, but it's heavy duty. It's good. These two from Harbor Freight. Not sure how long will it last. So far it's good. It will stop on the 100. Yeah, that's it. And it will kick back on the 70. Let's see. It's too quick. The fridge compressor sometime kick back on after 2 to 5 minutes. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's normal. But when you airbrushing, it takes a while to drain the air. So whenever it's reached to the PSI, it's supposed to kick back on. It will kick back on. So that's all right. So there's nothing wrong with that. So now I wanna show you what's the under the top. So I'm gonna this is just the rubber, just prevent from the oil wet on the edges, because I've cut the top off. You'll see the oil on the edges. If I didn't put that rubber, it's gonna wet all over the edges. You'll see that. See, that's why I put this on, and to keep it from the vibration, and it's gonna be noisy a little bit. There we go. It's kind of snug. See that all wet all over, so that's why I put this on. So this is the way I check the oil. There it goes. So like what I was talking about earlier about this intake here is just nothing inside. See, just the hole on the wall of the compressor, and extend it with the tubing on the outside. So basically these two and this very much the same. So it's not a bad idea. Just put the two filters. they're all the same, except this one here. This is the one that has the tube inside, inside the compressor. That's the one that air blowing out. Back on. It's very snuggly. Okay, let's hear it again without the rubber. You can hear the sound is a little bit louder than it was because it's the vibration on the edges. We put this on there. Yeah. More quieter. This is the electrical connection. The cable I just connected straight to the electrical connection inside it. So there's no twisted wire, no soldering, no electrical taping involved. So everything just straight from here to the electrical connection. Make it look nice. Okay, I guess that's all. That's what it is. And the cost about the used compressor with the broken gasket for $20, and get this for nothing. But I had to spend $35 to get the refrigerant recovered, so I had to do it the right way. And the fitting was a little bit nightmare because it's not that easy to find the right fitting, since this tubing is smaller than the one on the tank. So I had to figure it out to make it work. So finally I found something that exactly the same from end to end. Then I put it on. I'll solder this. And the paint is just the automotive paint, urethane paint. It's a two-part paint, so it's just about it. Well, I like it though. So roughly cost altogether about more or less around $130, and I got what I wanted. This is my first time sound compressor, so that's for what I do on my side work. This is my paint kit airbrushes. There's the paint all inside. There you go. So that's what I do. I don't do airbrush for full time, no. Just do that on the weekend and night time sometimes. This is my portfolio. Something like that. And those are my airbrush sign. Okay, it's just about it. Well, thank you for watching. Send me email if you wanna ask any question. I'll try to answer them. Bye bye.